morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 16. And today I don't really have plans. So right now I'm en route to meet my best friend at the gym to get my kids Christmas gifts. I really need to be there myself, but anyways, that's another day and another story and another time. I don't have any plans today. I said I was going to do laundry, and I was going to take the kids to a Christmas market, but it is entirely too cold. I do not want anybody to get sick. We have pictures appointments next Friday, and we also are going to meet with family on next Saturday. So I don't need anybody sick right now. So for right now, we're just going to pick these Christmas gifts up, probably chat with her for a little bit before she go into the gym. And what else I'm gonna do? Go to the Dollar General, get some laundry detergent and some laundry beads to make the clothes smell really good. Fold that up. Probably go stop at my mama's house. You know, I always gotta stop at Starbucks, get some Starbucks, and then we're gonna head back home. I don't know, that's something that's come up today. I don't really have much plans, so we'll see as this vlog continues to go on. All right, y'all, so I gotta go and get the stuff out the trunk because I just came straight home. So she said that this is for me, that's for Aubrey. No, this is Ashton, and this is for Aubrey. So I'm actually gonna probably show y'all what we got. Y'all, what she got me, and her bags are cute, but they don't match my skin. So I'm gonna push them to the bag, y'all. I ain't gonna change them out or nothing like that. Waste no money. I'm gonna push them out. So she said this is for me. I'm like, okay. Oh, snap, she know I'm bringing in heels. But I do need to step it up. She got me some boots, y'all. Ain't these cute? These are very, very cute. Very cutesy. So put this to the side. Alright. Let me just put it down. She didn't wrap this, but this is for Ashton. It definitely says a Paw Patrol vehicle, so I'm guessing it's like a little push toy for him. This isn't wrapped, so I'm actually gonna put this in the closet until Christmas. This is something else for Ashton that she got him. I told her definitely books, can't have enough books. And I do remember saying pajamas. Oh, she got some chalk, that's good. And she got him some pajamas. Oh, this is a cute robe, y'all. This is so cute. I love the colors. I really wanted our Christmas pajamas for Christmas Eve to be like this buffalo, but I couldn't find them for all of them. So I didn't get them. All right, y'all, so I accidentally ripped this bag, pulled it the wrong way, so I'm definitely gonna push this towards the back. But this is for Aubrey. She got some string lights. Kids love that. What else she got? Okay, this is a deluxe pool raft for vacations, and y'all know we always on vacations. She got her some tops, so this is one top. Very cute. Let's see, another one. Okay, this is cute too, love it. It's cold outside, so it'll be something like she'll wear like a long sleeve up under it. And she got some jeans. These are cute. All this stuff came from Kohl's. My girl loves Kohl's, okay? Each of y'all was gonna be at Kohl's. And again, cute bag, but don't match my aesthetic, so it will go towards the back, and I'll probably pull it towards the front on Christmas Eve. You know, so when they wake up, I don't really care then. All right, y'all, so after I met my friend, it was too early to go to the Dollar General. They were not open, and I also needed to print out something at UPS, and they open at 9. So I just printed out my stuff. I got my laundry detergent, and I need the energy. I need the boost to go and wash my clothes and finish doing my laundry. So what I'm about to do is run to Starbucks because, where should I think I was going to go? So I'm about to go to Starbucks, I thought about going to Tim Hortons, but I was just like, nah, I'm going to go to Starbucks. I'm going to go to Starbucks, get my iced coffee, come home, and finish my laundry. Some of the stuff is already done. I need to fold, so I'm going to fold some clothes, start washing my towels and stuff like that. And I'm trying to be out the house about like 2 o'clock, and we'll go to my mama's house and chill for like a couple of hours. I'm trying to leave before it gets too dark. I really don't like to be out when it's too late. and I'm trying to go home and watch like a little rom-com. I still haven't watched Jamie Foxx special, so I want to watch that tonight as well. And while I'm at my mom's house, I'm going to be editing this video and the one that's going to come out. I'm gonna start like editing this video and probably closing out the vlog. So yeah, just come with me. This is gonna be a real quick vlog. All right, guys, y'all can see I'm over here watching Jamie Foxx. Okay, I'm very late to watching it, but I wanted to go ahead and watch it, just show y'all what I'm watching, just teeny bitty clip of it, because I don't want any copyright issues. Okay, y'all, I'm trying my best. But thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and check out Vlogmas Day 17 tomorrow. Bye, y'all.